Well, all right, on to the next one. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey, this is the next flip, 2000 RX 300. Super clean inside and out, but we're gonna make it even cleaner by buffing out the headlights. We'll probably polish it, give it a good once over with the buffer, and we're gonna get inside and really detail that interior. It doesn't need much, but we're gonna try to take it to that next level, see if we can make any money on this thing. All right, as you can see inside, this thing is pretty clean already. Somebody took pretty good care of it. Not too bad at all. Seats aren't all ripped up or anything. The floors aren't stained too bad. But we'll give it a good once over. Kind of take it to that next level. You can kind of see where it's got a little bit of dirt all up in the jambs. We want to get all that out of there. All right, so that takes care of the inside. Let's start on the outside. I'm gonna start by buffing these headlights. As you can see, they're pretty foggy, not real bad. They're not damaged or anything. I'll go over these with a couple of different things. I'll probably start off with like 1,000 grit sandpaper, go to 1,500, then 2,000, 2,500, all the way up to 3,000. At that point, I can buff them out with some light polish. I think I'll skim over the entire vehicle with some polish on a buffer pad, and then we can wash it. Okay, everybody, so there it is. She's completely done, all nice and cleaned up. We got it all detailed, turned out really good. There was just a few little stains here and there, no big deal, but we got them all out. She looks really good. Now we're trying to get top dollar for this car, so we wanted to kind of go the extra mile and make sure she was completely cleaned up inside and out. This should go pretty quick. We're gonna put it up for sale now that it's all cleaned up, just in time for the weekend. They go for around $4,000 in this area, so we'll price it somewhere around in there and just see how close we can get. I don't see any problem with getting at least $3 grand for this, hopefully a little bit more. But even at $3 grand, we're gonna make some good money on this one. We'll more than double our money. So this is a very clean car. I'm glad we found it. I'm glad that it didn't have any major issues. I don't know if you guys have been following along. Over at Auto Auction Rebuilds, Randy picked this up, drove it home, and quickly realized the alternator was bad and NOx sensors were bad, which made it not shift into overdrive. He did some research, he replaced the alternator, and found out that the knock sensors is why it wasn't shifting into overdrive. So quick little fix, he knocked it out, man. Hats off to him for figuring that out. And hey, that's why we got it so cheap. Somebody donated this car because they thought it had a major issue, and turns out it wasn't a major issue at all. So we lucked out. Awesome deal. And hopefully, you know, we should make some money on this. We should double our money on it and then some. So that's awesome deal. But hey, just a quick little video, just, you know, just one of our quick little flips. And I'm gonna get on out of here. You guys, please check out my Instagram. Please like and share the videos. I really appreciate you guys watching these. You know, I know it's kind of interesting to see if we make money on these things, because we don't even know. I mean, we're just kind of figuring it out as we go. I typically don't buy cars this old. I like to keep above, you know, around 2002 and above. But every once in a while, man, you find a nice clean one like this, you just go for it. You know, we got it reasonably priced, so there's no reason not just to jump in there and take the chance. And we lucked out on it. So awesome deal. I'll get out of here. You guys catch me on the next one, and I appreciate you watching. See you.